For this upgrade, I needed to add the investigation data for the neuromuscular system. Within the multi-stage fitness test, it had a slow oxidative start, fast oxidative glycolytic during the main part, and fast glycolytic towards the end due to sprinting. The multi-stage fitness test varies because it's a longer test and all types of muscle fibers are being used. However, within the Wingate test, it's different. This would use fast glycolytic as it's only 20 seconds. These are for maximal contractions. They are used anaerobically mostly, and ATP and a little bit of the glycolytic system is used as the energy source. The ATP is used to create a quick burst of energy, which is the same with fast glycolytic fibers, as they are used to produce a quick energy movement, a quick powerful movement. They fatigue very quickly. The peak power that was produced was 3.1 watts per kilogram. The normative values were 4.16. This means that this person has average fast glycolytic fibers. At the beginning, there is a fast increase. This shows that she used most of her power as quickly as possible. At the beginning, she used her power fast, which is what normally happens. Around the 8 to 9 minute mark, there was a very quick decrease. This is probably when she started to get tired, and then a further increase, and the line fluctuates a lot. This shows that she was probably getting tired.